Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a stone bath mat. I wanted to show you how it comes packaged. This is not going to break in the mail. And here is what you get. This is my second stone bath mat, and I love these. They do come slightly dusty, so you can rinse it off before the first use if you want. You also have the stone on the back. The entire mat is stone and it absorbs the water. This is great. It does not stink ever. You don't have to wash it. If it gets dirty, you can just like wipe it off with a damp cloth or some clear soap. If it gets very dirty for some reason, it comes with a little piece of sandpaper and you can just sand that off. You also get a non-slip pad for the back. I love that you have this little design. It makes it special. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put it down to show you what it looks like. And I have a little bit of water in my tub. I'm going to step in and step out so you can see just how much water this absorbs. I just can't say enough great things about these. I was a little skeptical at first because I'm like, do I really want a stone bath mat? But yes, you do. They are really incredible, and this one is really, really nice. So let's see what it looks like and then test it out. This quick drying non-slip mat is super absorbent, so it's really perfect for your bathroom. As I said, I have one of these that is very old and we love it and are obsessed with it. It does not stink ever. It stays super clean. We have never had to sand it or clean it for any reason. I love the non-slip feature of this. With the mat underneath it, the non-slip mat, this does not go anywhere. You feel very stable when you get out of the shower. It's sleek and really adds some interest to the bathroom. I did speed this up, but this dries so quickly. I just can't say enough great things about these. Definitely pick one up. I highly recommend.